The SR5 is a guided multiple launch rocket system designed and manufactured in China by the company China North Industries Corporation Norinco. The MLRS is able to fire different calibers of guided and unguided rockets and launches loitering munitions. It is a universal launching platform adopting such technologies as canister launching, automatic loading, and common frame rocket launching. Featuring intensive and accurate firepower, a high level of automation, rapid reaction and excellent maneuverability. The weapon can realize common frame launching of 122 mm and 220 mm guided, unguided rockets to achieve a highly efficient combination of surface suppression and precision strikes. The SR5 guided multiple launch rocket system was unveiled for the first time to the public with a scale model shown at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition in June 2012. The vehicle is now in service in the Chinese Army since 2013. Venezuela has ordered a total of 18 SR5s in 2012 and 6 vehicles were delivered in 2014 to Venezuelan armed forces. The SR5 launcher vehicle is equipped at the rear with a traversable platform fitted with 2 pods of launcher tubes that can launch surface-to-surface rockets. One pod has 6 220 mm rockets in the ready-to-launch position, while the other pod has 20 of 122 mm guided or unguided rockets in the ready-to-launch position. The SR5 is able to carry a total of 12 RDs of 220 mm rockets as a full load and can realize single shot or continuous fire for multi-targets as per the combat requirements. It can accurately strike static or moving targets. The powered launcher station has an elevation from 0 to 60 degrees and a maximum traverse of 70 degrees. In the firing position, 2 stabilizers are lowered to the ground at the rear of the truck chassis to provide a more stable firing platform. The SR5 guided multiple launch rocket system can fire different types of rockets including the King Dragon 60GR1 220 mm terminal guided rocket and the Fire Dragon BRE-7 122 mm guided rocket. The King Dragon 60GR1 guided multiple launch rocket system 220 mm rockets have a maximum range of 70 km and can also be fitted with a GPS, INS laser terminal guidance system for increased accuracy. The Fire Dragon 40 BRE-7 guided rocket, realizing precision strike of high-valued point targets and suppression of area target with much less amount of rockets within a short period of time. It can perform operations that cannot be implemented by traditional uncontrolled rockets and greatly reduce the need for a supply of standby rockets in the combat field. The SR5 guided multiple launch rocket system is based on a Chinese-made 6x6 military truck chassis Tian TA-5-310. The truck has a double cab configuration with 2 doors on each side. The SR5 uses a crew of 3 and all the firing operations are controlled by remote control from within the cab. The truck can run at a maximum speed of 85 km per hour with a maximum cruising range of 600 km. The SR5 guided multiple launch rocket system is used to launch guided unguided rockets and terminal guided rockets. Capable of destroying ground enemy targets within a distance of 70 km. It is usually used by artillery groups for follow-up suppression and fire support. It can not only suppress exposed surface targets or group targets, but can also accurately destroy important or strategic point targets within the battle zone. SR5 can be ready to fire its first rockets in less than 5 minutes. Once a fire mission has been carried out, after 1 minute, the SR5 is normally redeployed to a new position to avoid any potential counter-battery fire. New rocket pods can be rapidly loaded in about 5 minutes using the onboard mechanical handling system fitted inside each pod of the launcher platform. Additional rockets pods are carried by reloading truck carrying a total of 4 pods. Reloading is made by the crew in less than 10 minutes. The SR5 is fully controlled by a fire control computer. The microprocessor on the launcher automatically executes the commands received from the fire control computer, giving the operator the status of the system on displays and indicators. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute database, Jordan acquired 4 Chinese-made WM-80 multiple rocket launchers in 2010. In a recently released video, the Jordanian military also unveiled its new acquisition, the WM-120, another advanced Chinese-made MLRS. The WM-120 is a new multi-barreled volley fire system developed by China. It is based on the design of the WM-80, but has several improvements. The WM-120 has a launch tube diameter of 273 mm and uses solid propellant rockets. Its maximum range is 120 km, the minimum is 34 km. The system boasts a circular error probability of about 20 meters and is equipped with an inertial guidance device that integrates global positioning systems. This acquisition underscores the strengthening of the defense relationship between Jordan and China, marking a significant shift in Jordan's strategic defense policy. Jordan has traditionally relied heavily on Western military suppliers, particularly from the United States and Europe. In recent years, however, Jordan has strategically diversified its defense purchases, increasingly turning to non-Western partners such as China. The move is part of a broader strategy to strengthen military capabilities in the face of regional instability and new security challenges. Defense ties between Jordan and China are characterized by increased cooperation, including joint exercises, technology transfers and high-level military exchanges. These interactions are aimed at promoting mutual understanding and strengthening the operational capabilities of the armed forces of both countries. Jordan's strategic location in the Middle East positions it as a critical player in regional security dynamics. By acquiring advanced systems such as the SR5 MLRS, Jordan aims to strengthen its deterrence capabilities, contributing to stability in the volatile region. Moreover, China's role as a key defense supplier to Jordan underscores its growing influence in the Middle East. The move is part of China's broader strategy to expand its strategic influence through defense cooperation and economic investment. The deepening of military ties between China and Jordan underscores China's ambitions to increase its presence and influence in a region traditionally dominated by Western powers. However, Jordan's turn to Chinese defense systems could raise concerns among its Western allies, including the United States, a longtime partner in military cooperation and aid. As Jordan diversifies its defense sources, it may need to carefully navigate its relationships with traditional allies in order to maintain a balanced and effective defense strategy. Jordan's acquisition of Chinese SR5 MLRS marks a significant development in the nation's defense strategy and regional security dynamics. It reflects a broader trend toward diversifying defense partnerships and strengthening military capabilities in response to emerging regional challenges. The move not only strengthens Jordan's defense posture, but also signals a shift in the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East, where new alliances and strategic partnerships are shaping the future of regional security.